Hello everyone, this is Samik Shrestha, going to talk about implementation of Schneiderman's 8 golden rules in design of a digital government system, the Nagarik App. The project was implemented by our team, whose members include Himesh Adhikari, Yus Pant, me, and Sadak Silva. Our project is the Nagarik App, a digital governance platform. To start the project, we first took a survey on the Nagarik App, and the results are as follows. We took the survey using Google Forms and we got the following results. Then we made the first paper prototype. After making the paper prototype, we took our feedback and the results are as follows. Then we made another prototype, which is as shown. After this, we took another survey and the feedback is as follows. Now for the minimum viable product demonstration. The Citizen app starts off with the login screen. You can log in. If you don't have a username and password, you can register by clicking the create one. It's a very simple button. This leads you to a register page. In the register page, you can register an account. In the register page, you can input the OTP sent to your registered number and then verify it. After verifying, we can proceed to login. And we can log in into the app. After login, we are redirected into the home page. The app is designed with Schneiderman's 8 golden rules in mind. The first point of Schneiderman's 8 golden rule is strive for consistency. For consistency, we have designed the app with its app layout in mind. Design tries to maintain consistency by using a similar app layout throughout the app. The screens consist of an app bar at the top, which contains the logo, the name, and the profile avatar icon. The bottom contains a navigation bar with different icons with labels for different screens. And the next is interactive components. So we have, for interaction with the app, there are components like cards, label icons. For the next point, we have enable frequent users to use shortcuts. For this, we have quick access. For frequent users of the app, users can favorite the most used service to add it onto the home screen. Using the shortcuts, users can easily access the service without having to manually search and navigate to said service. Users can select the favorite service by selecting the favorite button, i.e. the star icon from the list services page, clicking the star. Next, we have the hero section. A hero section consists of most of the popular services and it is present in the home screen. Besides it, there is also shortcuts for cards. That is the cards page, where we have a completely different section for personal documents like ID cards, citizenship, etc. And it can be accessed through the bottom of the app bar. Next point is offer informative feedback. For this, we have feedback on completion of certain actions. For certain actions like submission of forms, interactive components, there is certain feedback that tells the user that the action has been called. On submitting a form, an alert pop-up appears, acting as feedback, implying the form submission is being processed or complete. Besides it, there are also animations. Besides this, there are also animations while interacting with different components like the navigation menus to provide a feedback to the user. The next point is design dialog to yield closure. And for this, we have action completion dialog. Completion of paying bills leads to a separate screen that shows a dialog detailing the action that has been completed and gives the user some form of closure. For our simple error handling, we have error messages for field. If the user inputs unsupported information in the form fields, an error dialog is shown to notify users of the error that has been made. Another option of permit easy reversible of actions. There is the option for cancelling form submissions. User can easily cancel after pressing submit button in any form if they find any mistake and return back to the form to correct their mistake. Point support internal locus of control. There are app settings where the users can customize different settings. Besides this, there is also an option of list view and grid view. For another option, reduced short-term memory load. There is minimalist design with less information. Thank you.